Today we're looking at a USB power solution that applies to wide variety of applications. Anywhere from DSLR cameras to tablets to iPhones, Android phones, anything that can be charged using USB specification power, this excels at it. It provides 20,000 milliamp hour battery, output up to 3.6 amps on the USB output. The second part of the video, which I'll release later, will have the review on how it works with my Canon M50 DSLR camera, or mirrorless camera rather. So let's unbox this product and see what we get in the box.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
These two connectors are input connectors, and these are two output connectors. To charge your device, you will plug into these two. To charge the power bank, you're going to plug into these two. This is what the back looks like. This is the top, the sides, and this other side. It's pretty plain looking. Silver metal body, aluminum I think, and the plastic fronts, but very heavy, kind of feels premium because it feels very solid in my hands. It's quite big. I don't know if you can tell. It is a very decent size battery. All right, let's put that aside. It comes with a little contact card, a feedback if you're happy or not. Also with a very small user guide, which, I mean, it's obvious you don't really need a user guide. Also comes with, what is that, two cables, micro USB charging cable, and a Apple style 8-pin charging cable. So that's what you get with this power bank. I'll do a review because I originally bought this for my DSLR cameras. But you can use it with your phone, with your tablets, and it's supposed to be a really long life type of a battery, so you don't have to charge it for days and weeks. And because I record YouTube videos and do multiple takes sometime, it is absolutely very helpful. And because I record all my videos in 4K, this battery comes in really handy because the transfer times are bigger and everything else. So I'll post a review next as to how good this battery does on a Canon M50 camera. All right, see you then.